Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable alarm off function in TCL washing machine. And to do this, first you will need to have one of the plants running. Keep in mind you can't do it when your washing machine isn't doing anything. And after that, we'll need to press on the speed and delay button. So the speed button is located right here and delay button right here. Click and hold them for 3 seconds, and that way you'll enter alarm off, and you'll also see the icon glowing somewhere around here, and that indicates it's on. If you want to disable it, click on those 2 buttons and it will disable. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.